STEM racing is essentially a co-curricular where you design miniature F1 cars and you race them down a track.
It effectively takes students, gets them to form teams of around 4 to 6 students, and puts them through a process that mimics one that a Formula One team goes through to develop a car.
The deliverables that we have, the miniature F1 car and also the portfolios that we have to write, which basically encompasses like our journey of the entire competition from start to finish.
Our car designs must be designed in conformity to a regulation document. This document establishes a range of ideas that you're able to experiment with.
CAD stands for Computer-Aided Design. It's basically a way for you to put 2D sketches into a 3D object and allows you to manufacture it into reality. And everyone who does STEM racing at St. Kentigern College has the ability to use the software, which is quite exceptional since it's an industry-level software. And then after that, we finalize our design and we mill it with using a CNC machine that our school also kindly provided the club.
Typically the main body, the central cockpit of the car, will be milled with a CNC machine. And so you have to be really, really precise with the measurements of your car and how you design it.
For the Australian Nationals car, for the main body, we had around 7 iterations.
What we'll use the physical wind tunnel for is to validate the CFD results we have, which we can use to visualize airflow around the car, for example, as it's racing down the track, check for velocity of airflow, shear stress on the surface of the car, and a lot of other parameters that we use in designing the car. The physical wind tunnel is purely a visual tool, and we can't get actual data values from it, but we can use it to confirm the data values that we have in the CFD. So often we'll run a CFD test, look at the flow trajectories, and then run the wind tunnel test, and if they match, we know that the data we got in the CFD is correct and that we can use it to refine the car.
In terms of pitching, you basically have to go out into the industry and to go look for sponsorships. So a lot of it is sending emails, like cold emails to a lot of these big companies, seeing if they would be interested in sponsoring you or like providing you with support. The branding process or like the team identity is broken down into like multiple sections. Parts of it is like your team name, your team logo, and your team uniform, and like the values that your team wants to uphold. Competing in competitions like overseas competitions such as Australia was a really full circle moment for us. All the effort that we have put into this project to see it come alive and see like actual results from it feels really good.
Since doing STEM racing, I have found a new love for engineering and aerodynamics, and the feeling of seeing your own design after how many hours of work you put into it come into reality, it's kind of an undescribable experience.
STEM racing, it reinforced my will to become an engineer. It's a really, really powerful program that gets students engaging with the industry, stepping into skill sets that without the program they wouldn't be exposed to. But STEM racing forces you to develop those skills in correlation with the industry.
St. Kentigern College is the only school in New Zealand that provides this opportunity at such scale, which is a really phenomenal feat for the school, I think, because being able to provide such a good opportunity for all the students, being able to introduce them to such an amazing program, and it's really good that the school provides such diverse opportunities for the students.